Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful galaxy spacey kind of blue and purple look, so a blurple look, using some new products that I purchased from Shein. And well, they're makeup products, so they're from SheGlam actually, but you can purchase them on Shein, which will be linked in the description box below. But we're going to be playing with the Cosmic Come Up collection today. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes and the Be Pure Infused powder under eyes to catch any fallout we might have. I'm using the SheGlam Cosmic Come Up eyeshadow palette. This is such beautiful packaging on this palette. It's gorgeous. I'm going to be taking Neptune, which is this really pretty dark blue. It is almost a navy blue. It is right there, but there is a little bit of hint of purple in this blue. And I'm going to take this on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to be building this up in my outer corner and sweeping it into the crease. And I'm going to do this little by little because these eyeshadows are extremely pigmented. One of the most pigmented SheGlam kind of palettes that I've ever used. So it's better to add a little bit at a time and build it up versus pouring all the pepper into your pot at once and you can't take it away. Next up, I'm using Nebula, and this shade is gorgeous. I'm going to use this wet, so I'm going to spritz my brush with the Hard Candy Primer Spray. And I'm going to wipe a little bit off on the towel, and then I'm just going to go in on only half of my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is a shimmery purple blue shade, so Blurple shade, with these pink and purple like specks of shimmer in it. The pictures do not do this shade justice. This is so beautiful in the sunlight. The shade is totally worth getting this palette. I believe this palette was only like $8. 2 thumbs up. Seriously love this palette. I'm going to go in with some more blue in the outer corner and the crease there. And next up, I'm taking Gravity, and I'm going to be using this as my highlight shade. And I'm using this one on a kind of fluffy shader brush. And I'm just going to apply that under the brow and then slightly start bringing it down towards the crease shade we used. And then I'm going to start blending those together. And once I have all of that down and blended, I'm going to take the fluffy crease brush that I used with a little bit of the blue and fully blend those together. I love the transition. Wiping away fallout, which there was not much, taking that beautiful blue on the lower lash line. I'm going to blend that out a little bit. And next up, I'm going to be taking the shade Satellite, and this beautiful light shimmery purple with kind of like a pink fleck to it as well, or well, an opalescent effect to it. And I wet this little bitty brush, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner, and I'm going to apply that in the corner and blend it into the upper inner portion of the lid and the lower lash line. So for Maybelline Studio, I'm using these lashes called Amanda and their lash adhesive. My favorite lash adhesive. It's really good. Next to Duo, it's really good. Those lashes are easy to apply and they're beautiful. And the WetnWild Breakup Eyeliner to tightline with, and the WetnWild Big Poppa Mascara to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. I will put a little of that on the lower lash line as well. Now for lips from SheGlam, we're using this High Beam little mini lipstick set. These lipsticks are really cute, but they are small. They are tiny. I decided to do something different, so I used the Maybelline lipstick in Midnight Blue in the outer corners of the lip, and then in the center I used the plummy matte shade from that Cosmic Come Up collection, the High Beam lipsticks. I love how it turned out. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. This is such a beautiful galaxy-esque look. So pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial today as well. Found it helpful and will try the look out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shein and SheGlam links. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.